I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to reply directly to a thread on Threads. So first, with our Threads app open, we're going to just scroll and we'll randomly select whatever this post is. And here we will click the little icon with the bubble right next to the heart that shows 7. We'll tap on that. And here now it opens up a reply option for us. We can type in whatever we want and then click post on the bottom right there to actually post this. Now, this is not the only way to reply to a thread. We can click cancel here and discard to go back. We'll go back again. If we're here, we'll scroll again randomly and select, there we go. Let's just say this one with the map. The same icon with the quote where it says 139, we'll tap on that. And then it directly opens up a reply box here where we could type in test. And then the up arrow on the right will be the actual send button here. Once you do that, you are all set and you have replied to a thread.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video so other people can find it as well, and subscribe to stay tuned for much more just like this.